In Madagascar, 80.7% of the population lives in rural areas and refers to the Basic Health Center, or BHC, to seek healthcare and to receive medicines and/or medical tests. For the basic health centers of the Big Island, the majority are located in landlocked and difficult-to-access areas.
Delivery of medicines from the district headquarters to the basic health centers is quite complicated. This is why we institute the drone project, which is an effective solution to facilitate the supply of these products. In order to get medicines or to transport analyses, we normally have to travel for miles and days. Therefore, a long waiting period is necessary for patients to get their medicines and the results of their analysis.
PSI Madagascar, a large international NGO financed by Global Fund and USAID under the supervision of the Ministry of Public Health, has innovated the delivery of health supplies and the transport of medical samples for maternal, newborn, and child health, family planning, immunizations, and malaria in very remote areas using drones. Initially implemented in the district of Maronsetra, Analanzarufu region, the drone project, funded by Global Fund and implemented by PSI, has started its extension to other districts, namely Mananara North and Tamatave II, and currently has a fleet of 6 drones. The drones in use have the capacity to deliver health supplies to the BHC in remote areas by airdrop or by landing and taking off directly at these centers. They can also transport biological samples. Today, the technical team has to prepare the shipment of drugs and vaccines.
The drone is 3.30 meters tall. Its weight is 20 kilograms. It can carry up to 10 kilograms of products, about 600 doses of vaccines with solvents and syringes, or 200 TDR kits in a volume of 12 liters for distances less than 50 kilometers. In 50 kilometers, the drugs are stored in 2 capsules located under the wings of the aircraft and can contain 3 liters each. The altitude is 150 meters from the ground with an average speed of 100 kilometers per hour. It is able to withstand rain and winds above 35 kilometers per hour.
The Beneficiary Health Center is located in Mananara Nord, a locality located 100 kilometers from Maronsetra, the takeoff site of the drone. Under the instructions of the head of the BHC, the person responsible for health supplies at this BHC places the order with PSI Madagascar, which plans the drone delivery program according to the needs of the BHC. The head of the BHC is then informed of the date and time of delivery of their order. The preparation of the package is done at the district storage warehouse. Simultaneously, the aerial metric team prepares for the flight, and several checks are made. Thus, the drone takes off and travels a long way to deliver the health inputs to the BHC. The head of the BHC then confirms to the focal point of the drone in Maronsetra the receipt of the package.
From our BHC, it is also possible for us to send packages, including RMA, biological elements from PFA, or missiles-related samples to the district.
The arrival of a drone in our remote village is a source of joy for us. From now on, the supply of medicines and the delivery of test results will be done as soon as possible.
The use of drone is important to transport medicines to the BHC and especially to transport them to the community site. Before the advent of this project that allowed us to have a drone at our disposal, the supply of medicines for Maronsetra was a real obstacle course. The dilapidated state of the road, the use of canoes, and the length of distance were all factors delaying the delivery. Today, this will soon be nothing more than a bad memory. Everything is now done in a fast way. No need to leave the BHC.
Since July 2020, we have flown over 225 flights, and these drones have covered more than 10,800 kilometers to serve 35 remote community health centers. It is in this way that we've been able to deliver malaria treatments, malaria testing kits, family planning products, and also child vaccinations. We've even, more recently, begun to collect biological samples from the remote communities and deliver them to the central health authorities. It is in this way that we are helping communities achieve their goal of universal health coverage.